to the Union Home Ministry as well as the Election Commission of India, urging them that the exercise of SIR should be conducted in the state of Meghalaya as soon as possible. We have seen what has happened in the last few months in the state. We cannot deny the fact that there is illegal immigration in the state of Meghalaya, and these people, the illegal infiltrators, have not only encroached, have not only settled in the land belonging to the indigenous people, but most of them also have been able to take part in the election process, and this in the long run will hamper the indigenous tribes of the state. In that backdrop, and as well as we have seen the exercise that have been carried out by the ECI in other states, in states of Bihar, in West Bengal, where they have been able to detect these illegal infiltrators being part of the electoral process or electoral roll. We think that Meghalaya also is a fit case for carrying out the SIR in the state of Meghalaya, so that the people who are non-legal, who are not legal citizens, who are dual voters. We cannot deny the fact also that Meghalaya shares interstate boundary with Assam, in which most of the there are residents who are settling in the border areas or border villages. They are dual voters. They are also voters in Meghalaya as well as they are voters in Assam. So the purpose of SIR is to purify the electoral roll, as has been stated by the Chief Election Commissioner, that pure electoral roll is the backbone of democracy. So we want also that same objective or that same thing to be applied in Meghalaya also, so that these illegal immigrants who have entered the state of Meghalaya do not get the same rights, political rights, as we the indigenous people have. So we are demanding from the central government, the Union Home Ministry, as well as the SIR, as well as the Election Commission, that SIR should be implemented. And the second issue that we want to take up by Comso is the amendment of the ST Order 1950. If you look at the ST Order 1950, you will find that for the state of Meghalaya, there are around 53 or 54 tribes who are recognized tribes in the state of Meghalaya. Whereas this ST Order was only copy and pasted right from when we were with Assam. This same ST Order was there. So we fail to understand that we have got our own state for the 50 years now, but we are yet to amend the ST Order. And this has allowed other tribal communities from other states to have the same rights like us. They can buy land here, they can apply for ST certificate, they can fight in the elections, they can do their business without any restriction. So they have got the same rights, whereas it is not being reciprocated for the Khasi or for the Jaintia or the Garos in other states. If you look in the state of Manipur, there is nothing written that we are the recognized tribe in Manipur. The Khasi, Jaintias, the Garos, they are not recognized tribe in Manipur. If you look at Assam, we are only recognized as tribal in the hill areas, not in the plain areas. So for us, it is not being reciprocated in other states, in other northeastern states. But for them, they get the same right like the indigenous tribes of Meghalaya. So this is the problem that we are facing. And if this will not be, if the ST Order are not amended or is not amended, we will be facing the problem in the near future.